In today's video, we look at 5 bad habits new YouTubers make.
Ooh.
That's right.
Spiky.
Yeah. Riding on the trends.
Is that a trend?
What I was hoping is offer value.
Right.
5 mistakes that they're making.
5.
Yeah. Are you making them? Let's hope not. By the end of this video, you'll be aware of them and you'll rectify that and stop making them. Just need to come up with a list.
Well, I've got about 20 in my head. I get so angry watching YouTube.
Let's go through 5 then.
This is mainly like the complaints I see. Oh, I don't know why, blah, blah, blah. And so number 1 on those complaints is expecting instant success. Just because you've posted a YouTube video of your favourite cat, or maybe it's the vlog of your awesome day on your electric skateboard, doesn't mean anyone's going to care. Is that too harsh? I'll tone it down a little bit.
That's quite brutal.
A bit brutal.
I followed every step, every of the 5 steps. Step 1, have a YouTube, I've done it. I've got a YouTube channel. Step 2, make videos. I've done it. Step 3, make awesome videos. Obviously. Step 4 and 5, I've done them as well. Why? Just stop it now.
So just don't expect instant success. Do it because you enjoy it.
Oh look, Pete's on the internet.
Doesn't happen. No one has ever said, "Oh, Pete's on the internet, better go and subscribe."
I'm up to about 80 odd friends on Facebook now.
Wow.
Listen to that, AJ, and I'm inspired.
Right. Okay.
What I was thinking was the oversharing. Can I do number 2?
Do your number 2, but maybe not in front of everyone.
Number 2, oversharing. I'll be clear with you. If you want to be a big deal on YouTube, you've got to know to stay away from certain bad habits. Oversharing. Your audience don't need to know if you've broken up with your girlfriend at the weekend. There's other things that you should just stay on topic. That's the thing, stay on topic and try to avoid oversharing.
The problem with what you've just done is that you've overshared by explaining oversharing. No one wanted to see number 2 is actually you doing a number 2.
I was giving a really good example of oversharing.
It's too good an example. Too good.
Thanks.
No, that's not a compliment.
And I hope you enjoyed my solid example of how to overshare.
Number 3, this is one Pete suffers with all the time, and it's being easily put off. You're probably going to get a dislike, you're definitely going to get comments from people that disagree with you, especially if you're giving an opinion. It happens. For some reason, YouTube has a dislike button. Just ignore it.
Do you know what? I've had it.
Pete? But when you get a dislike on your video, just, don't worry about it. Number 4 is genuinely a pet hate of mine, and I see it all the time. Right, just because you've watched Peter McKinnon doesn't mean you can use B-roll for everything.
Oh.
It's when people put style above substance, and we're the opposite of that. We have no style, and I like to think we're full of substance. Well, you're probably empty of substance after number 2, actually.
Should we give an example of cool B-roll? Because I've got a great idea.
Right, yeah, you're cool B-roll.
Ready for the cool B-roll?
What's the point of it?
Well, I just wanted to shoot something cool with me for them. They appreciate me, so I thought if I was in the B-roll,
What did it do?
Made the video look cool. With all essential lists, they stop at 5. If you want to be a big deal on YouTube, you should know the 5-finger rule.
Oh, 5-finger rule.
Oh no. Let them have your number 5, AJ.
Well, my number 5 is don't obsess over the numbers. And that's kind of a bit similar to not being easily put off or expecting instant success. But don't sit there watching your view count, begging for subscribers. It's completely pointless.
So, I mean, here's a video that I uploaded yesterday. So it's been live now for 17 hours. And you'll see 10 thumbs up, 50 views, 10, 11. So I just liked my own video. And that's your fault. That's because you're not helping me. 50 views. So now what I have to do, I've been sat here for like 5 minutes. 52 people. One of those was me. I just refreshed it. Refresh again. Can I get another view? Didn't count that time.
The best way to think about the numbers and not obsess about them is think about that many people in a room. So if 100 people watch your video, 100 people in a room.
That's how I roll.
If you want another 15, then
they don't want a 15. It's gone on long enough. And it's at that point of the video where we thank you for watching, advise you that there's a red button and a thumbs up and a thumbs down and a comment section. And at this point we say, we'll see you again on Friday. Yeah, I had to make it brief because another 15 of your stupid ideas, AJ. That was my list.
Well, you can do one
5 bad habits, that's what it was meant to be. What it ended up was with one big bad habit, you.